Oh, exam ka date. My God, exam dates are declared. Now I have my exams in the month of May. Physics I have to study, maths I have to study, chemistry I have to study. God, I have to study IPE, I have to study physical education. Tension. What to do? God, I can't handle. Do one thing. We'll do one thing. I'll prepare one timetable today. Okay. I'll prepare one timetable. Kitna today is what? Okay. Now almost we are in March 1st. What we'll do is 2 days we will take. We'll start from March 1st. Okay. March, April, May. Okay. So 2.5 months are there. In these 2.5 months, what should I do? ठीक है. क्या करते हैं ना? Physics I'll study for 15 days. Chemistry I'll study for 15 days. Then 1 month 15 days पूरा हो जाएगा. Then after that I'll study maths for almost 20 days. Then I'll study English. Then IP. ठीक है हो जाएगा. Perfect. I'll prepare a timetable today and I'll finish full syllabus in 15 days. Physics in 15 days. Chemistry in 15 days. Maths in 15 days. IP in 15 days. English in 5 days. Wow. Bas. Okay, I'll start studying. Today is March 1st. I'll start studying. I'll take out my book. Book. This is my chemistry book. Chemistry book. इतना सारा pages. Oh my God, so many pages. Okay, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. पढ़ते चलो. First question, first line. Okay. I'm getting a doubt in this line. What is this doubt? Wait. What? नहीं समझ में. I'm not understanding. छोड़ देते. Next page. This is an electronegative element from a substance. Electronegative. कोई बात नहीं. Leave it. We'll study one more. Important questions पढ़ते हैं. Next. Standard electrode potential at 298 Kelvin. Okay. Standard electrode potential at 298 Kelvin. ठीक है. So fluorine plus 2 electron gives me 2F minus. Fluorine plus 2 electron. So what to do with this? Okay, काम करते हैं. I'll do one thing. No, I'm not understanding. I'll take my phone and I'll start browsing it. Okay, क्या करना है? ठीक है. I'll go to Google. Open Google. Okay, I'll just open. Okay, Google. Okay, please tell me why is the standard electrode potential of fluorine so much? Oh, so many answers I'm getting. What to take? Answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, answer 4. So many I'm getting. Okay, I have to register for this. Okay, so many answers. What answer to take? This is not working. Okay, this is not working. I'll do one thing. I have doubt in physics. I have doubt in maths. I have doubt in chemistry. God, 15 days I have to complete full syllabus. Let me do one thing. What I'll do? I'll call my friend. Okay? I'll call my friend. Let me call my friend and ask. What is the number? Okay. Right. Hello. Hi. What are you doing? Oh, even I started studying today. 15 days में पूरा syllabus हो जाएगा. Yes. In 15 days I'll complete full syllabus. That's the confidence. ठीक है. This page, no, in page number 234, I have a doubt. Yes. Yeah. I have a doubt. Can you clear that? Which page? Yeah. The same page. The first line is there. No, I have doubt. Okay. Wow, you told me so nicely, Anu. But my doubt is not cleared. No, you can't. No. Okay, no. Take care. Bye-bye. This is also gone. I have asked Google. I didn't get the answer. 10-15 answers are there. Don't know. I have asked my friend. Abhi kya kare? What will I do? I'll ask my teacher. Yes. Let me message my teacher and see. My teacher also is busy. I didn't get answer. क्या करें? Physics, so many doubts. Chemistry, so many doubts. Maths, so many doubts. Months are only 2. God. So I have so many books to study.
1, 2, 3, 4. God. 5, 6. So many books I have to study. God, please clear my doubts.
Yes, students. So, welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am standing in front of you. Hello, Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Shastriyakal, Adabarse, and beautiful students, Channagidira, everything. Right, students. So, here this is your Vani ma'am standing in front. I understand, students, as a student, if I say a student's life is complete, a lot of pressure on it. But one thing what we have to understand, see, we are born, we have to achieve something in life, but if our targets are clear, it's easy. We have been running since years, students. What we are doing every year, chalo, next year, like that. But now we are in grade 11 and 12. Students, we have that fear of chemistry. God, what to do? Every time whenever I see a chemistry subject, I close the book and keep it. Don't worry, students. We are in the last 3 months of your preparation for your board exams. Let it be grade 11 student, let it be grade 12 students. I am there for you. Remember, students. So there's a new feature for you all. Nothing. Unlimited doubts will be cleared. Whatever doubt, English and Hindi, both will be cleared, students. Nothing to worry. Only thing you have to do is, I'll be giving you a detailed explanation what to do, how to get your doubts cleared. Normally, when I read something, automatically we get a doubt. Obviously, it is understood, no? See, it is not compulsory. Whatever is there in the textbook, I absorb. No. So now it is examination time. Whatever doubts you get, whether it is in maths, whether it is in physics, whether it is in chemistry, we are there to clear your doubts. Yes, students, very easy way. Only thing you have to do, simple, wherever you have doubt, click the photo and send it to us. I am there, chemistry, I'll be helping you out, students. Okay, now see, I know I am weak in physics, I know I am weak in chemistry, or I know I am okay in maths, but my target is I have to achieve something and show my parents that I also can do something. I am an individual. So simple. Only one step is left to get that. What is that, students? Getting your doubts cleared. Ma'am, for example, ma'am, what is an acid? No problem. I am there to clear your doubt. Simple as that. Correctness, students. So I'll be telling you different simple steps to get your doubts cleared. It's for free. It's for free. Remember that, students. It's for free till your board exams are there. Till the last day of the board exams, I'm going to help you out getting all your doubts cleared. So go through the whole video, watch it. Again, I'm saying, students, it is for free for everybody. How many ever doubts you get, everything will be answered both in English and Hindi, right? But small little steps you need to do for that. After that, you can. But important and the most important is you have to use my referral code. Remember, my referral code is Vani10. Okay, it's mentioned here, Vani10, VANI 10. If you use my referral code Vani10, automatically your doubts asking session or ask a doubt feature will get cleared. Means it'll open up. Without using the referral code, you can't. So it's simple step, isn't it, students? So let us see the video, how to download, what to do and everything, and you are only one step nearer to approach me and ask me doubts. But last important thing, link is given in the description, students. Link is there in the description for both 11th and 12th students. You can go through the link and approach me. Fine. So last but not the least, don't run away from the subject, students. We have to face the subject, stand in front of that and say, you challenge that subject. Nothing. Finished. Years are gone. Running away is gone. Now challenging, facing it is important. Okay. Right, students. So don't forget, this Ask a Doubt feature is free for you all. Point number 1. Point number 2, use my referral code Vani10. Vani10. Point number 3, link is given in the description. Go through the link and immediately install and see what to do. So simple steps. Let's meet. Let me explain you what to do. All the best, students. Face the challenge and you will be the winner. Thank you so much. Please watch the video till the end. Here is a procedure, students. Step 1. Go to your Google Play Store. There, download the Unacademy Learning app. Then, as soon as you open, you get started, give your mail address or the mobile number, whichever is possible. Next step, once you enter there, your Unacademy mail ID, enter, go to continue. Select your residence, where you're staying, which state. You get an OTP to your mobile. After that, search for the goal, grade 11 or grade 12. Select your language of preference. Then you would get an option, yes, welcome bonus of almost 200 credits earned. That's a additive to your account. Then you can directly go, you have the scrolling as you see. There's an ask a doubt feature over there. Simple as that. Enter the code, right? There's an invite code asked. Then you can click it. Yes, you're ready to get your doubts solved. What should you do, students? Wherever you have doubt, first important thing, take a picture or choose it from the gallery. Then comes your step 2, cropping the picture. Then comes your step 3, either uploading or submitting your question. Step 4, as you know, once you send students, how many of our unlimited doubts are there? Whether it is in maths, physics, chemistry or biology, select the subject which you want your doubt to be cleared. Then you can just type, right, I have a doubt. Can I get the solution? It's already there, uploaded, you sent it, you have sent it, cropped it. So automatically you get your doubts cleared from your educators. Right, students, instantly, n number of doubts, both in English and Hindi. Easy? Yes, students. Follow the steps. All are available.
Unacademy, the biggest online platform, learning platform in India. Let's crack it. I'm Vani Potepalli, the verified educator for grade 12 students, CBSE, ICSE as well as state board students are with me.
Ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus students. So you'll be getting a flat 10% off only in this month. That's till February 28th. Note the date, students. There's a new feature with Unacademy, that is Ask a Doubt feature. So this doubt feature, any point of time, any doubt will be cleared. Let us see the procedure for this. Step, important thing, any unlimited doubts, as I said, both the solutions are available in English and Hindi. Get assistance with instant homework, whatever you have to do. These are the steps to get your doubts cleared, students. Step 1, 2, 3 is mentioned here. Easiest way to get your doubts cleared. Then later on, when we follow the step 4, step 5 and step 6, automatically whatever doubt you get at any point of time, it's cleared and you get the solution instantly.